Bros had enough.
Like that.
That's too much. That's too much. Whatever.
Sorry,
man, it's fine.
buddy.
It's fine. It's fine.
You alright, kid?
I'm hungry. That looks
Anything
good.
else?
That's it.
But how do you expect me to roll this?
Just figure it out.
But I
You're the
can't roll
expert.
it, buddy. Like I can't fucking roll it. What are you doing?
Man staring into his soul.
Get some more sauce.
Can I get some black olives? Can I get black olives? Can I get some?
Last time, that's it. I like it extra crispy. Oh my gosh, it's smoky. Did you just put a singular tomato on it?
He likes it on fire.
This one, not crunchy enough.
No, it's gonna be fire in the oven.
No, it's not.
The paper gonna get fire now.
Fire.
Yeah, because heat on the paper too much.
Oh, wow.
But I told you.
Damn. Yep, that's how I like it, like that. Mm-hmm. Yes. I think it should go longer.
Huh?
Longer.